Hey YouTube, welcome back to Luke's Amateur Hour. Today, we're just going to talk about my plier drawer ever so briefly as I attempt to organize it. I'm running out of space, and so, I know that this isn't an efficient use of space. It looks pretty, I can lay the stuff out, but I picked up the Olsa Tools pliers holder rack. So, you're going to watch me fumble through this for a couple minutes. I mean, if you want to. Hey, like, comment, subscribe if you want to see toolbox stuff, if this is your jam, and maybe I'll do more of it. All right, so let's just verify that it closes. Yep, she closes. I dig it. So we can do stuff like this. I like my pliers. I use them a lot, so I want to organize them a little bit. Make sure that I'm getting everything accounted for, and I'm not ruining anything. Let's see here. Is that? I need to go back a little further. No. Seems like a pretty good little pliers rack here. I got a bunch of pliers that I don't always use, so. Put my Knipex by my channel locks. But I think that we're, I like what I got, and I want to organize it a little bit. So I like the way this fits, and this is not a very deep drawer. This is like 2.5 inches, I think, tall. Does it say? Hold 16 pliers. No, it doesn't say how tall it is, but the Amazon listing has the height on it. That's gonna have to go. My Van pliers, they're spring loaded. I dig them, but they're spring loaded. Let's do my vice grips. Move these guys over one. Ooh, they barely fit. Note the vice grips handles on the channel lock pliers just barely fit. I mean, kind of snug. I kind of have to hold the thing to get them in there. Ooh, the DeWalt's do not fit. DeWalt high leverage lineman pliers do not fit in the Olsa Plier Rack. They're too thick. Not always a problem. Let's see if my tin snips fit. Nope. And no. So hey, check it out. I got a pliers rack. This is so much better than what I had before. I mean, you guys saw it. What do you think? I got all my channel locks over here. My Knipex in the middle there. I got my cutters, and then I got these guys, and I got these guys. So yeah, I like this. It's a nice little pliers rack. This might have to loosen up. I don't know. Yeah, this one might have to change a little bit, but I like the pliers rack. It gives me a little bit more room, so I can obviously fit a bunch more stuff in here. Vice grips are going to be weird because they might automatically go off. Interesting. Anyway, what do you guys think? I don't want to get too crazy into the organization. I mean, this was $14. I could buy another set of pliers for $14, but I wouldn't have anywhere to put them if they weren't organized a little bit better than they were. So, it's a trade-off. What do you guys think? If you have this, curious what you think. I like it. 14 pliers. Let's see if I can get you a slightly better view. There you go. 14 pliers in the rack. I've got room for 4 more. I've got 10 pliers in there, and I've got a couple that don't fit due to handle girth or, springies. What do you guys think? Throw it in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. My name's Luke. I'm an amateur. This one didn't take an hour. Have a good day, YouTube.